Welcome back, my amazing seniors. We've reached day 20 of our 60-day fitness journey. Can you believe how far you've come? If you're new here, don't worry. This series is made just for you to help improve your strength, balance, and confidence every single day. Exercise 1, sit to stand, chair squats, 50 repetitions. All right, my wonderful seniors, let us get ready for our very first exercise of the day. The sit to stand, also called the chair squat. This is one of the best exercises to strengthen your legs, hips, and lower body muscles. It helps improve your balance, your ability to stand and sit safely, and keeps your knees strong. Now, please take out your sturdy chair and place it on a flat surface. Sit comfortably with your feet shoulder width apart. Cross your arms gently in front of your chest, keep your back straight, and remember, use your legs, not your hands. We are going to stand up and sit down 50 times together. Take a deep breath and get ready to move with me. Let us begin. Stand up and sit down. That is 1. Now again, stand up, sit down. 2. Keep going. 3. 4. 5. Wonderful job, seniors. You are doing great. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. Keep that posture straight. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You are doing amazing. 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Remember to breathe and keep smiling. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, halfway done. Feel that gentle burn in your legs. That means your muscles are working. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep moving with me. You are stronger than you think. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Excellent effort. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost there. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. You have got this. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Well done! Take a slow, deep breath in and exhale. Feel that strength in your legs? That is your body getting stronger day by day. You are improving your endurance and balance with every repetition. How are you feeling so far? Tell me in the comments below from which country you are joining us today. I love reading where my wonderful seniors are exercising from all around the world. And please share this video with your friends so they can also stay active and healthy with us. Fantastic job, everyone! You have just completed 50 perfect sit-to-stand repetitions. Exercise 2, seated leg raises, 50 repetitions each leg. All right, my strong and motivated seniors, it is now time for our second exercise, seated leg raises. This simple yet powerful movement helps strengthen your thighs, knees, and lower legs while improving your balance and coordination. Sit tall on your chair, keep your back straight, and hold the sides of the chair gently for support. Make sure your feet are flat on the ground before we start. We will begin with your right leg first and complete 50 repetitions together, then switch to the left leg for another 50. Remember to move slowly and steadily. Let us begin together. Lift your right leg straight out and hold it for a moment before lowering it back down. That is 1. Again, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Keep your posture tall. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You are doing fantastic. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Keep breathing. Stay relaxed. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Great work. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway done on this leg. Keep that leg strong. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. You are doing great. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. Keep lifting with control. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. Almost there. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. Final few. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. Excellent job! Slowly rest your right leg down. Now let us switch to your left leg. Sit tall, take a deep breath, and let us begin together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect rhythm. 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Keep it steady. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Wonderful. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Halfway done. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. You are building strong and steady legs. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep going. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Almost there. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Final stretch. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Excellent energy. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Take a deep breath, relax your legs, and feel that beautiful strength you are building. If this is your day 20, you must already be feeling stronger, steadier, and more confident. Drop a comment below and tell me how your energy feels today. And remember to share this video with your senior friends so they can join you and feel the same amazing progress. Exercise 3, Standing Marches, 50 repetitions. Now, my wonderful seniors, let us move to our third and final exercise for today, standing marches. This exercise is excellent for improving balance, leg coordination, and circulation. It also strengthens your hips and thighs, helping you stay steady while walking and standing. To begin, stand straight behind your sturdy chair for balance. Hold the backrest gently with both hands. Keep your posture upright, chest lifted, and shoulders relaxed. We are going to lift our knees one by one, just like a gentle march in place. Remember, slow and steady movement is the key. Let us begin together and complete all 50 repetitions with full control and focus. Lift your right knee up, then your left. That is 1. Right leg, left leg. 2. Great. Keep your body tall. 3, 4, 5. Nice and easy. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Keep breathing and moving. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Excellent effort. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You are doing wonderful. Keep those knees lifting. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Halfway there, do not stop now. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Keep marching strong. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. You are doing great. 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Almost done. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Final steps. 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Excellent job. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. You have just completed 50 full standing marches with me. This simple movement helps improve your endurance, stability, and energy levels. Each march brings more flexibility and control to your legs, keeping your joints active and pain-free. How are you feeling right now? I hope your legs feel strong and light. If you are doing these exercises daily, especially by day 20, you must already be noticing better strength and confidence when moving around. Now tell me in the comments, who is exercising with me every day? I love hearing from you all. And please share this video with 5 to 7 of your friends so they can move, smile, and stay healthy along with us. Great work today, seniors. You are doing something truly amazing for your health. Fantastic work, my friends. You've completed day 20 of our leg workout series. How are you feeling today? If you finished all the exercises, write in the comments, "I did it." And remember to share this video so your senior friends can join our 60-day fitness journey. See you tomorrow for day 21. Stay active, stay strong, and keep smiling.